All right, people, this is an AMD update for March 23rd. Even though you see this March 22, this update is still based on March the 22nd because I want to make some points. I want to make some points based on today's action and based what I said on March 22nd to really solidify everything that I'm trying to say about AMD. Now, like I said on March 22nd, AMD is in a bullish chop zone, and that AMD has key supports at 1340, then 1290, and then 1160 from this point. Now, as you can see today, and we're going to go to the charts and see something. I want to make a point, but before I will go to the charts, I want to make a point what I said here, people. And I said that AMD as an early entry point, AMD needs to break above 1440 on some strong action volume. Right? Obviously today we had nothing near this, okay? And I also explained that if we didn't get that, then we would need to base above 1440 and look for power towards 1460. If that would be able to confirm today. Again, this plan is still intact. However, we need to do this confirmation. I just want to make a point here right now, unless I make a new update. But I want to show that people want to guess and assume, and options keep losing value in this kind of situations, right? You want to wait for confirmation, and again, I talked about the phase one. So the phase one, I expect I have to, I have to test. I say 18 to 19. It could be between 17 to 19. Phase one. But AMD has to properly break out, and you know what? It could take another week or two, and it could chop in a zone between the 1440. I want to make this point now in the update, and these supports. That's possible, okay? As an option trader, it doesn't affect me because I'm looking to buy into AMD. This is what I'm trying to explain to people as we confirm. And I want to make this clear because, for example, there was a plan like Baba that did confirm, and we enter. We want to enter on confirmation because options lose value on a daily basis, especially when a stock is ready to break out. I like to catch stocks when they're in breakout. And AMD, again, I consider it in a bullish chop zone, setting up for higher prices, but I won't enter unless it confirms. Now, if we go to the charts, you can see today we had no power at all. I mean, this was and when you see there's no power, there is no trade. It's stuck in chop, right? We've been chopping. A lot of people were assuming it was going to break out over here. My plan said no, and we just, we faded. Again, clearly stated, I'm bullish AMD. However, I'm waiting for confirmation. That's the system I am. I do this for all kinds of stocks. When stocks confirm, we enter. When they do not, we don't. And I want to make this clear, understand. But you can see that there was no power. And we'll go to quickly a 10-minute chart. This is after hours for me. It's doing really nothing after hours. You can see it because it tracks everything. But you can see that we had no volume, 5 million. Right. This is a 10-minute chart, and the high was 1411, and then so this you can tell there was no power. Okay, people, and this is what I'm trying to explain. My confirmation system is about catching. This is what I'm trying to demonstrate to the AMD board. Let's get back to the plans. Okay, so here we're at the plans. So as I stated, at this moment in time, this plan is still in favor to work. However, we still need to break above 1440 on some strong action volume, and strong action volume is 15 million on a 10-minute chart. If we break above 1440 in the near future, and we do not do this with the kind of power, then we need to base above 1440 and look for power towards 1460, 1480 to even 15 right now. That hasn't changed. But as the time goes on, like in a week from now or 2 weeks from now, as this chops around, we might get better entry signals. The key is when this confirms, that's when we want to enter, and this is the point I want to make, people. As an option trader, we wait. And what I do instead of AMD confirming, I then go into other trades that are confirming. For example, last week I went into Win, made 100% gains in the options and had to exit, and then I made a new plan. Let's go to my YouTube channel, people. All right, people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, My YouTube channel here is Power Target Trades. As you can see here, I have this up here. I posted this trade yesterday. That's the same one that you're seeing with the charts. You can check it out. The only thing I wanted to add was that we are stuck in a bullish chop zone. And I'm bullish AMD, but I'm an option trader and I'm looking to go in this because when I tell you something, people, when AMD confirms, it's going to make us the money. Check out my win plan. I mean, I made an update. We haven't confirmed this one, but I make a lot of plans. We look for confirmation, people, just like the AMD. It can be done with any stocks. If you like my updates or like what I'm saying, don't forget to subscribe. See the Sandro Power Trigger Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it and you'll automatically subscribe to my channel. Like I said, people, confirmation is key. Review this video. Review the March 22 video. But what I wanted to add in the March 23rd video is that AMD right now is stuck in a bullish chop zone and has been stuck for the past few weeks. But not to worry. We as option traders, we want to wait because the options get cheaper and allows us to get in with better options and make even more money. You can catch a move in AMD with options, but we need the trigger. We need the power and pressure. You don't want to be stuck in chop with options because then that's time decay. And my system is about fighting time decay and catching the move where the odds are in our favor to make us money. So thanks for listening, people. Don't forget to subscribe when you see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade over here, and like the video.